carro de vaca.
Look guys, it is looking like an axe. I don't know if you know exactly what is an axe, but it looks like one of those that you use to chop firewood. Look at the shape of this hoof. It's very different, guys. You know, really different. Renato had never seen it like that either. Now guys, we are working with the right hoof, and you can see that there it has turned, you know, more inward. It is more painful than the other side, and apparently it seems to be a little bigger. Let's see, but we have this breaking here, a great part has breaking here. But let's do this because it's raining. The weather is starting to rain. The weather is beautiful actually for rain. Some people say it is ugly, but it's beautiful. And we've been waiting for rain for a while. And we are waiting for a time because we are in a very dry time.
Que essa daí tá aqui, você quer ver ela?
Tem mais um? Mansa. Mais mansa não?
É pra mim, é pra de roça.
Vou pegar então depois.
I'm going to cut this tip here to avoid pressure. Renato is removing a part of the heel that isn't right, and it will make a good difference. Let's try here at the front. Well, let's do this. Come on, boy. You guys, the lump that I told you about, now from the side you can see how it grew here, and how it tapered and how it thinned out. That's why I said it looked like an axe for chopping wood. Come on, boy.
Você deve ter uma...
Look, there it is. Now let's lift it from low. Guys, it doesn't even look like that ugly hoof that it was. Look at the perfection. It's well aligned, rounded. That callus, that lump that was here was removed. The angle is almost perfect. Yeah, it improved it very much. But it's something like the others, you need to continue doing the hoofing. And during the next hoofings, as this grows, that pressure will end up forming again, and this pressure must be removed little by little, and so on. Leave the hoof more supported, with much, touching better, flatter, and opens more than this inner side from the inside. It even changes the walk of the animal. Look at it, guys, the before and after. It's already finished another animal there with comfort, more comfort for him. Can you please take the animal? Can we see him walking? Oh, look at this, guys. Guys, you can see it has completely changed the animal's walk. He's still walking like that because he was used to walking like that way with a big hoof, and that it was ugly, but now he's improving. And that's it, guys, finishing here. Until next time, till next video, God willing. Our motto is to listen to those who have no voice to be heard. Thank you very much.